Hi students, today we are going to discuss how to find the particular integral in the case 4. So the case 4 is if capital F of xy is equal to e power ax plus by, okay, e power ax plus by into phi of x comma y, then particular integral is equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash into e power ax plus by into phi of x comma y. Okay, so in this case, first what you have to do, first write this e power x plus by. First we have to write this e power x plus by. Then replace here d by d plus a and d dash by d dash plus b into phi of x comma y. So this phi of x comma y can be anything, like any algebraic function or trigonometric function. Means trigonometric means sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by. Algebraic means x power m into y power n. Okay, like that. So here whenever this combination with exponential function with any trigonometric or algebraic, and what you have to do, you have to follow. First you have to write this e power x plus by, then 1 by replace d with d plus a and d dash with d dash plus b into phi of x comma y. Then we have to operate on this function according to the rules what we have to find the particular integral. Okay, so this is very important here. You have to do the replacement here, d with d plus a and d dash with d dash plus b in f of d comma d dash. Okay, so then we have to operate according to the rules, whatever depends on the function phi of x comma y. So now let us take a look at the problem here. Solve d square minus 4dd dash plus 4d dash square of z is equal to e power x minus 2y into cos 2x minus y. See here we have this combination e power x plus by into some function, that is phi of x comma y. Here it's a trigonometric cos of 2x minus y. Now right here the auxiliary equation is first. We can get the auxiliary equation just by putting d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1 in this and equating to 0. Okay, so by doing that we will get m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0, and this m square minus 4m plus 4 can be written as m minus 2 whole square. Now what are the roots here? 2 comma 2. So since the roots are real and equal, now the complementary function is f1 of y plus 2x plus x into f2 of y plus 2x. Why we are writing this x here? Okay, because the roots are real and equal. Okay, so now let us find the particular integral here. Now we know the particular integral formula, 1 by f of d dash. Okay, that is d square minus 4d dash plus 4d dash square into e power x minus 2y into cos of 2x minus y. Now, so you can observe this, the right hand side function here. You can observe the right hand side function in the form of e power x plus by into some function. Okay, case 4, that is the trigonometric one. Now what we have to do? Replace d with d plus 1 and d dash with d dash minus 2 here in this. D with d plus 1 and d dash with d dash minus 2. So by doing that, first you have to write e power x minus 2y, then 1 by replacing d with d plus 1 and d dash with d dash minus 2. Okay, so then here after simplifying that, there you will get e power x minus 2y 1 by, after simplification there you will get like this, d square plus 10d minus 4d d dash minus 20d dash plus 4d dash square plus 25 into cos of 2x minus y. Now since it is a trigonometric function, what we have to do to solve this 1 by f of d dash into trigonometric one, you have to replace d square with minus 2 square and d dash with minus 2 into minus 1, d dash square with minus 1 minus 1 whole square. Okay, minus 1 whole square, but we cannot replace this d and d dash. Okay, we cannot replace d and d dash, we have to write as it is. Okay, so then take a look at how we solve the remaining. Now here take a look at e power x minus 2y 1 by minus 4, okay, plus 10d minus 8 minus 20d dash minus 4 plus 2y into cos 2x minus y. Now you can see after simplification there you will get like this, 1 by 10d minus 20d dash plus 9 into cos of 2x minus y. Now what So in order to operate this on cos 2x minus y, in the denominator we need to get a d square, dd dash and d dash square, like that. So this is not like that. So for that what we have to do? Rationalize this. Means multiply and divide with 10d minus 20d dash minus 9. Okay, multiply and divide with 10d minus 20d dash minus 9. There you will get in the numerator like 10d minus 20d dash minus 9 by, in the denominator 10d minus 20d dash whole square minus 81. Okay, so now in the denominator you will get like this, 100d square minus 400dd dash plus 400d dash square minus 81. Now we can operate this. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 1. So in place of d square, minus 4 and dd dash minus 2 into minus 1. So minus minus plus into 2, there you will get 2 into 400, 800. D dash square is minus 1 whole square. So that is minus 400. So it's minus 81. 10d minus 20d dash minus 9. And there you can have this simplification gives minus 1681. Now operate this 10 into d of cos 2x minus y minus 20 d dash of cos 2x minus y minus 9 into cos 2x minus y. So d of cos means where we know that capital D is equal to dou by dou x. Yeah, dou by dou x means differentiate this with respect to x. There minus 20 sin 2x minus y minus and d dash means differentiation with respect to y. Okay, d dash of cos 2x minus y is minus, okay, minus 20 minus sin 2x minus y into the inner derivative minus 1. Okay, again we have done the same. The inner derivative, there you will get 2 here. 2x minus y with respect to x is 2, so that's why we are getting minus 20, and here also inner derivative is minus 1. The derivative of cos is minus sin, so minus minus plus sin 2x minus y, and here minus 9 cos 2x minus y. Okay, now simplifying this, there you will get the particular integral. Now the particular integral is equal to e power x minus 2y by 1681 into 40 sin 2x minus y plus 9 cos of 2x minus y. So let this equation number 2. Therefore the complete solution is z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. That is equal to f1 of y plus 2x plus x into f2 of y plus 2x plus 1 by 1681 into e power x minus 2y into 40 sin of 2x minus y plus 9 cos of 2x minus y. So this is the required complete solution. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.